Welcome to Elite's Game. Today we will discuss Pick's theorem. Basically, Pick's theorem is to find area of polygon whose endpoints are integrals. So let's start. How many points with integral coordinates are there inside a triangle of area 250 square units that is right angle at 0, 0 and has a vertex of 25, 0. A is equal to I plus b by 2 minus 1, where I is integral points inside the polygon, and B is your boundary points, integral one, and A is your area of polygon. This is formula for Pick's theorem. A is equal to I plus B by 2 minus 1. By help of this formula, we can solve this type of question very easily. So let's start. How many points with integral coordinates are there inside a triangle of area 250 that is right angled at 0, 0 and has a vertex at 25, 0. Right angle at 0, 0 and vertex at 25, 0 and area is 250. That means your height will be 20 because area is equal to half base, which is 25, into height. So your height will be 20. That means the coordinate of this point will be 0, 20. So if this point is A, this point is B and this point is C. So what will be equation of BC? Equation of BC will be x divided by 25, x by A, this length, x by this length plus y by this length is equal to 1. This is equation of intercept form. So x by 25 plus y by 20 is equal to 1. That will be converted in 4x plus 5y is equal to 100. Now first motto to find number of boundary points here. We have to count the number of boundary points. If you will check boundary points on x-axis, except origin and that end point, we will get from 1, 0 to 24, 0. There are 24 boundary points on x-axis, and from 0, 1 to 19, 0, 19 there are 19 boundary points on y-axis and one origin is there. And if you will check what will be the number of boundary points on this line, this BC line, the values of x and y which will satisfy this condition will give you boundary points on this BC line. So let's start checking this. 4x is equal to 100 minus 5y. So x will be equal to 25 minus 5y by 4. So y will vary from 0 to 20, because when you will put y is equal to 0, then x will be 25. When you will put y is equal to 4, then x will be equal to 20. When you will put y is equal to 8, then x will be equal to 15. When you will put y is equal to 12, then x will be equal to 10. When you will put y is equal to 16, then x will be equal to 5. And when you will put y is equal to 20, you will get x as 0. That means y will vary from 0 to 20 with common difference of 4. That means there are 6 possible values of x and y. That means how many boundary points on this BC line? 6 boundary points. 6 boundary points on this BC line. That means how many total boundary points here? Total boundary points are 50. 24 plus 19 plus 1 plus 6, that will give you 50 boundary points. That means this is the value of B. You have value of A, you have value of B, you can find value of I. So A that is given as 250 is equal to I plus boundary point 50 divided by 2 minus 1. So I is equal to 250 plus 1 minus 25, that will be 220. How many points with integral coordinates are there inside a triangle of area 250 square units that is right angle at 0, 0 and has a vertex at 25, 0? That will be 226. This will be the number of integral point inside the triangle. I hope this concept is clear now. Thanks and happy learning.